Good afternoon, everybody. It's your boy Theo with All Nations Racing Team, and got my buddy's car here. This is a '94 Grand Marquis right here. He is going to be running the semi-stock full size in Seymour, Wisconsin, with me this end of this month. He's here for some frame repair. As you can see, he's using the welder. Fortunately, he ran out of welding wire, so I'm not going to get too close to the frame, but that's the 4.6 that came in it. But yeah, he's here to do some frame repair. Got to add a steering column. Right there it is. Into the car. We're going to do some rear end work. I got to work tonight, so unfortunately, it's not going to be probably done today, but it'll probably be done tomorrow or the next day. But the biggest thing is he's using my welder. His welder, or his house doesn't have a big enough amp in the fuse panel to do the welding. So, yeah, got the 4.6 stock motor. He's going to run the semi-stock. He ran this at Pickett, Wisconsin. I think this is his throttle cable, actually. No, that's a shifter. Yeah. Just the old pull style shifter. Pull shy shifter. So, yeah, did some work to it. Got some 9-wire around this, around the doors. Welded doors shut. So it's not a bad build. Like I said, he is running the semi-stock full-size class in Pickett, in Seymour, Wisconsin, along with me. I spilled the bottle of transmission fluid, if you can't tell. But you can see that he's got. I'm not trying to get too close to the frame here, so you guys don't see the work that's being done. But he's doing some frame repair on it, as you can see. It's got the 4.6. I think it's got a Simple Solutions wiring harness in it, a Simple Solution gas tank. As you can see, there's the Simple Solution, Robbie Critton, and stuff like that. So, but yeah, simple, semi-stock, nice cage, nice 4-point Bolton cage. So, there you guys have it. This is the '94 Lincoln, or excuse me, '94 Grand Marquis of my buddy Hanson Scanador. Sponsors are Dipsticks LLC, Hanson's Lawn Care, Gary Gym Parts. But you can see we got some work to do back here. I told him I want to cut that 90, that completely right up to the trunk lid. But we'll see what we do with that and see how he wants that done. But yeah, so I got the welder out here, the cutting torch. We ran out of welding wire, so he went to go get welding wire. He's got to fix his core support, which is fine. We'll fix that when he gets the plate welded. See, he's got some stuff here, alternators. So there you guys have it. Full size semi-stock coming to Seymour, Wisconsin, this end of this month, June 29th, 2024. The wagon's going to be there. I had to redo the radiator hoses on it today, so there's a bucket of radiator fluid down there. So I did that. See, my lights are on. My lights are on in here. So I redid that. I have to redo my wiring. Just about to grab my zip ties and start doing some wire management in here with this. So let's start cleaning up some of this wires. Start getting some of these zip tied out of the way. Get some of this crap tied up like this. Some of this fuel lines gotta get zip tied up and stuff like that. So just some stuff I gotta do. I gotta check the tranny fluid again, check the oil, get that done. Put the fuel in it. I gotta clean up this mess in here, this wiring kerfuffle. There's my top of my there, and then I've got my window bar right here. Just a piece of sheet metal. I'm gonna make a window bar, and yeah, I got halfway painted. I ran out of paint again. So I'm just finding random bottles of paint, painting it. So the wagon's going to be here. That car's going to be here. My semi-stock is going to be there. And another chain car is going to be there as well. So thank you guys for watching. As always, make sure you hit that like button. Smash that subscribe button. And if you want to see more videos of this car and that car, if you want to see a time lapse of us how we do this, smash that like button, thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.